Imagine if there was a software that pays you to use it when you run your online business. Would that be too good to be true? Well, what if I said that they have paid out over $40 million in the past few years? Do you believe that it's real now? Before I reveal this software, I want you to know that you can start an online business and promote the software that you use to run your online business. And this can be money that you're making on the side. The best thing about promoting a software is that it pays you every month consistently as long as your clients use it. Click the link now so that you don't miss this offer because you will only see this once. If you use the software and promote it to 100 people, you will be making $2,373 every month as long as they use it in their business. There is a calculator inside so you can play around with that yourself. This is what affiliates have to say about this software.
There's so many tools and so many opportunities to monetize those tools in one of probably a million different ways.
Over $40,000 in commissions generated by me in Builderall.
I've never seen such a complete platform in one place for such a low price.
So Builderall saved me a ton of money. They also saved me a bunch of time.
The tools are phenomenal, and you get to have every single tool that you need to build a profitable online business all in one place.
Tons of ways you can monetize the use of the Builderall platform. I tell people you don't need to go looking for shiny objects anymore because Builderall brings them to you.
So I've been with this platform for over 2 years and never look back.
Damn, now you know the name of the software. With Builderall, you can build a website or blog site that doesn't look like it was made in the 90s. Design professional mock-ups without any snarky comments from your tools. Automate your email marketing campaigns without any typos or embarrassing mistakes. Manage your social media channels without any unnecessary drama, and so much more. Plus, our 40+ tools are easy to use and won't drive you to drink. Well, maybe just one glass of wine as the money comes rolling in. Start your 14-day free trial to explore the platform and see what's possible for you. Take action now because this offer will be gone in 24 hours.